What's good, KO gang? What's good, Cavewave community? Welcome back to the channel. I am AizhyyKO, aka the Big Dog KO Beast. And today, I just want to update y'all on where I am with my hair. I got a little bit of dry scalp, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do my braid out and just rock my fro, my curls. My hair has grown a lot. Like, y'all was there when I cut it, and now we got a little bit of hang time, you feel me? So I've been taking really good care of my hair. I try to keep it as hydrated as possible because I have very dry skin, especially right now with the winter time and all that stuff like that. But I do have some products that I use every couple of days. So I put water in my hair. That's why my braid's not as fresh, but I do put water in my hair just to have some moisture in it. It's like a plant, you gotta water it. And then I use a leave-in conditioner, African Pride leave-in cream. I put this on my hair before I take out the braids, but I use these every couple of days. So put some in your hand. Just rub it in so it's not white anymore. I'll put a lot, but that's because I'm about to take it out. I don't put this much on the regular, but if I'm about to take it out to do my braid out, I want it to be as moisturized as possible. And then I got a curling cream, and the curling cream I only put in my hair when it's out or when it's being braided. I don't just put it on there as a moisturizer. I only put it when I want it curly. You feel me? I'll take that and I'll just put that on there just like that. I want it to be in the braid. Out of this, I want it to have the curl. I want it to be moisturized. So I'll rub it into the braid. And I got that 4C kinky curl. I don't even know what hair type. I feel like some of my hair be sticking up, be straight. Some of my hair be like kinky, some of it be curly. But I'm gonna say that real good African American hair, you feel me? And then after that, there are 3 oils I use. So I either use this one, African Pride 5 essential oils, or I use the argan oil, argan and Moroccan oil, or the coconut oil. And I just, whatever I feel like using that day is what I use. But I use the oil last because I feel like it's the sealant of all the moisture that I just put in my hair. So I'm gonna use this one right now. That in my hands as well, and oil it. So when I have the braids and I'm moisturizing my hair, I literally just take this and dump it on there and go all the way back. But since I'm doing the braid out, I just really want to make sure that my scalp is moisturized, but also the hair itself. I should have put water in first, but I just wet my hands, so just to rub it all in a little bit more. So water. Make it spread. A lot of black people be scared to wet their hair and put water in their hair, but I ain't scared. You need water. I'm not sure when I cut my hair, but I think it's been like 7 months now. So I think it's been 7 months. Yeah. So I rarely use this comb on my hair unless I'm parting it. And if I do use it, I make sure I use my wide tooth comb as much as I can. A pimple, goddamn, y'all see that? I've been eating cookies this season. Goddamn. I'd rather take it out with my fingers too, because the fingers help hold the coils more than the comb does. The comb kind of combs out the curl. So I want to make my hair curly, so okay, so my camera kept running out of storage, so I had to make the video quick. But this is me with all the hair out. You see how the parts are all there, you know? So what I want to do is I want to make those parts disappear and make it look a little less crazy than this. But y'all can see the growth. Like, it's been 7 months since I did a big chop, cut all my locks off. So I'm really satisfied with the results. I love learning about my hair pattern and my hair texture. I feel like I learn something new about my hair like every week. Especially because there's different styles I can do to get different lengths. So now I've been rocking the braids. I'll put a little bit more curling cream in there. And then just fluff it out to try to get rid of the parts. The worst thing be having a part in the middle of the head though. And then you only want to detangle it a little bit with your fingers to try to enforce the curl. You don't want to really comb it out. If you do comb it or use a pick, I would say scrape at your roots like that, so that way you can kind of try to get rid of the part. Here's my pick. And I do have a pick right here. It comes in handy. You'll see this. I just did a photo shoot with my pick too. I love it. Yo, I deleted so much storage off my phone, it don't make no sense. I deleted so many videos and pictures and messages, and it still be like, sorry, gotta cut you off here. They don't want me to be great. This clone be great anyway. But yeah, this is one of the hardest parts, is hiding my parts actually. Making it look as natural as possible. This is why I prefer to do 2-strand twists without parts, because it makes it easier to just have it look more natural and less like afro puffy, but more curly. So I'm not opposed to either one though. It's just like I prefer it to not look as frizzy as it does. Just give it water. That way it does hold some sort of curl to it. And to put on the roots so that way it can get rid of the part, because now it's gonna curl again because it's wet. And I only put a little bit on my hands. I just wet my hands, shake it off, and just put them in my head. Alright, y'all, my bad. My storage been going crazy, y'all, but I just added more water to it, picked it out. You can't see the parts as much, but it does make my hair shrink up more when I use more water, but it also does make more curls, as y'all can see from before and after. Like, I have a lot. My hair is frizzy, my hair is curly, my hair is kinky, my hair is straight somewhere. It's just like, it's all over the place. So I'm learning how to deal with it, how to grow with it, and I'm learning to love it, because I am beautiful and my hair is beautiful, and it's really just another way to express my creativity for real. So I'm glad y'all been rocking on this journey with me. I appreciate y'all and I love y'all, and I'll post some pictures on the page with the throw out, and y'all tell me if y'all fuck with it or not. Actually, I don't care if y'all fuck with it or not. Just tell me how y'all do y'all hair. What kind of curls y'all got? Are y'all curls undefined like mine? Yeah, be different. But that's the final look. After it's all moisturized, and mainly water is the key. It really takes courage and strength, because I feel like I grew up not thinking that my natural hair was beautiful. I grew up thinking that it had to be straightened every 2 weeks by the Dominicans. I thought it had to be in braids, or it had to be like extensions or a sew-in, and that did a lot of damage. It pulled out a lot of hair on the side of my head, and it was cool. I looked cute and all that, but man, this is more freeing. It's less time consuming, it's less expensive, and it takes courage, which is building on character. And I'm in the house working anyway. Y'all see me? I'm in the house working. So, y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace. I don't know, we might do locks again soon too. We gonna fill it out. We gonna fill it out. You feel me?
About to explore mine. Me and Shiggy about to pull, getting lit down. Grab a drink, roll a blunt, unwind.
I know you heard me say this time and time again that they will rock your world and change your life. But I can't blame them cause you make a nigga wanna get involved, wanna get these drugs. Where I'm gonna put my beat in and get at you. No disrespect, but I want it bad as they do. The only dishes they do it for themselves. I'm doing it just to hear you yell, yeah. There's gonna be. Alright, my bad, gang. Y'all missed a lot of the campfire, the bonfire. It's like 1:26 a.m. in the morning, and we just finishing up, just wrapping up. It was a beautiful evening, and everybody got clips on their phone, so I'll show y'all the clips from everybody's phone. And thank y'all for rocking with this video. I hope y'all enjoy y'all week, y'all weekend. Next Wednesday, you know we post every Wednesday, so stay tuned. Watch that. Subscribe. Hey, gang, gang, gang. What's good, Cavewave community? I am AizhyyKO, aka AizhyyKO.